So here is our chicken Milanese. Tama yung anghang niya. Sarap. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are making chicken. We're using breast chicken. I remember going to Milan and then I ordered chicken. There are two kinds. Chicken parmigiana and chicken cotoletto or cotoleta. But they're basically breast chicken, tapos pinukpok nila para mag-flatten ng konti. The other one is served with they dipped it in flour, in egg wash, and then bread. Tapos isa naman, ganun din, pero nilagyan lang ng sauce. So what we're doing is, we're not using tomato sauce. We'll fry this in butter. No, we'll make breading. Okay, just this one, and then so first natin, you can put different spices. You can put paprika, no? Put paprika there, and then you can put a little of cumin, just a little, not too much. Para hindi overpowering yung taste niya. Siguro for this one, about a teaspoon's good. And then we'll put some crushed pepper. Yan, sarap, crushed pepper. Okay, yeah, crushed pepper. Put some, just a little of chili seasoning, just to thicken up our flavors. And then oregano. Yun. Powdered oregano. Okay, good. Okay, that's it. That's all we want. Okay, nice. Mix all my spices. So the first dip will be here. Yan. You can imagine how flavorful this is. I'll put some salt. Okay, some salt. Good. I'm gonna put a good amount of salt and then pepper. Wow. Ito pa lang eh. Alam mo na yung flavor nito. Sarap na nito. No? So, ito yung mga importante dito. Dito pa lang, alam mo na very flavorful yung chicken natin. Why do we need to do this sa chicken? Because alam nyo yung chicken breast, wala talaga masyadong lasa yung chicken breast eh. So, like again, what I said before, ito yung mga meat na parang blank canvas. You really have to bring up the taste, the spices, no? Ito, chicken breast, tenderloin, even pork chop. Pork chop for that matter. Wala masyadong lasa, no? Medyo matabang. And then we'll put eggs. Ito yung sa egg wash natin. Yung stainless to. Okay. I'll put up three eggs. And then put in a little water, just a little water. Okay. And we'll whisk it. Nice. Ano lang, whisk lang natin eggs natin. Yun. Okay, good. Yun lang. And then, last is breadcrumbs, panko. Yun. Ito yung final coating ng chicken breast natin. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, finish. Let's clean our table. Next is the chicken breast natin. Remember, every time you hold chicken, contaminated kagad yung kamay mo. So you always have to keep on washing your hands. Basta chicken na hinawakan mo to prevent contamination of salmonella. Okay, wash it well. Okay, good. All right. So now we'll just flatten and tenderize our chicken. Diyan siya na, cling wrap. Okay, there you go. So ito, pag pinukpok nyo, hindi mo kailangan masyadong gulping-gulpe. Just to flatten it. Ganun lang. Yeah, just like that. Just to flatten the chicken and to tenderize it a bit. Good. Okay. Good, nice. Get out. So, gawin natin at this point, initin natin tong skillet natin. We'll put some olive oil and then we'll put butter. The key here is not to cook it in very high heat. Kasi chicken to, so what you want, when you cook chicken, you want it thoroughly cooked. No? You don't want undercooked chicken, you don't want raw chicken. So, we'll put some olive oil. No? And then we'll put in butter. Okay. So I'll get a quarter of block of butter. Yung lalagyan natin dito. Yung chicken Milanese, remember, it's really, cooked in butter. Kasi yung region ng Italy na yan, yung mga Milan region, unlike pag nasa Sardinia ka or you're in Naples, no, the south of Italy, yung mga dishes doon talagang heavy sa olive oil. But as you move north, doon na yung gamit nila ng butter, and doon na yung gamit nila ng cheese. So yung Milan is medyo the northern part of Italy. Ang gamit talaga nila doon, marami butter. So i-melt lang natin tong butter natin. And once it's melted, ilalagay natin chicken natin. Cut it to smaller pieces pa. See? You can see na hindi ko talaga pinapainit masyado yung skillet natin para hindi rin masunog yun, yung breading. Let me put in more butter. Okay. I'm using unsalted butter here. Okay. Tatabi ko na itong butter na to. So, good, nice. Okay. So as you can see, natutunaw na yung butter natin. Our skillet is heating up. I'll get our chicken ready. Nice, huh? Okay. So, first, take this out para makita natin mabuti. Our seasoned flour. Nice. Tingnan mabuti na ganyan. Okay. After that, egg wash. With the egg wash. And on the other side. Good. After we do the egg wash, diretso tayo sa panko. There. Nice, no? Okay. Good. Yan. Beauty. Nice. Bango. Amoy mo kaagad, Sarap. So while we are frying our chicken, we're done preparing yung dalawang chicken breast natin. I'll clean this with hydrogen peroxide. So makita mo yung pinagpatungan ng chicken, meron talagang bula eh. This is how we kill the germs and bacteria coming from raw meat, using hydrogen peroxide. Yun. So that. Okay. So while we're waiting for this to cook, gagawa na tayo na gawin natin yung salad that will go with our chicken pag plenate na natin siya. So I'm going to cut some apples and mix it with arugula. Okay. And of course, the apple has been washed. Okay. Sa apple. Ang galing-galing yung core. May konti yung naiwan na core. Yun. Okay. Ngayon, babalikan rin natin itong chicken natin. Okay, nice. Good. Golden brown. Beautiful. Nice. So while we're waiting for that to cook, we'll start doing our dressing for the salad. Okay. Pepper. Some olive oil. Okay. And some local vinegar. Yes, yun lang. Ang ratio ko dyan, 1:4 ako eh. Sa ano? Sa oil and ano? Oil and vinegar. Why? Kasi ayoko naman, I like vinaigrette, but I don't want it too sour. I just want the acidity nandoon. Huh? And then, nakita mo, parang siya nag-emulsify ng konti. Oh? Ah, nice. So, ganyan lang. So, that's our dressing. Talay ko yung apples na pinutol natin. Ang tamis ng apple. Yan. By the time I'm done with this salad natin for sidings, luto na rin yan. Good. Okay. It's a dressing. Nice. Okay. Just like that. Mix it lang, konti. Just to cover your veggies with the dressing na ginawa natin kanina. Nice. So, ganun lang, oh. See? Yeah. Just like that. So, our salad will be ready once the chicken's ready. Okay. Tatabi ko na ito lahat. Clean our table. And we are ready to plate. There. And there. Okay, good. And then a little of grana padano cheese. Put a little cheese on top of our salad. Huh? Yeah. And then chicken. The chicken. So serve our chicken just like that. Okay. And then serve natin siya with a slice of lemon. Okay. That's it. Yan. So easy it is to make. Chicken Milanese. Oh. Nice. So here is our chicken Milanese. Let's try this. Yan ng lemon. Goody. Try it. Sakto lang. Good. And then, salad. Apples and arugula. Sarap. Ganda ng dressing. Using the extra virgin olive oil. And siya ginamit ko dito, pinakurat to. Sa suka for this. Perfect. Tama yung anghang niya. Sarap. Sarap nito. Sarap no, no? Sarap yung combination ng olive oil and the sukang pinakurat sa dressing. Yung chicken. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Perfect with coconut juice. It's so easy to cook this chicken Milanese. It's so easy to prepare. Ang bilis, oh. Quick meal. In less than 30 minutes, you're done with this. Okay? So, friends, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag mayroon tayong bagong video na palabas. And again, do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'll see you again next time right here in Goma at home. Bye! Goodbye!